Did you know that 78% of workers today are living paycheck to paycheck? And here's the scary part. It doesn't matter if they earn $40,000 or $140,000 a year. The struggle is exactly the same. Everyone tells you the solution is to make more money or download this fancy budgeting app. But what if I told you that these solutions are actually the reason you stay broke? Apps automate your finances, but they also automate your blindness to money. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal Kakeibo. It's not an app. It's a 120-year-old Japanese manual technique that helped Japan rebuild its economy from ashes. It's the exact method minimalist millionaires use to save 35% of their income without earning a penny more. Let's begin. Welcome back. The problem we all face with saving money isn't a lack of math skills. We all know that spending less than we earn is the goal. The real problem is financial frictionlessness. You see a coffee? Tap. You see a gadget? Double-click. It's too easy to spend. The pain of paying has disappeared, and when the pain disappears, your awareness vanishes with it. So in today's video, we are not just going to list tips, we're going to build a financial mindfulness map. This map has 3 pillars. If you miss one, especially the psychological trick in the middle, your budget will collapse within a month. And stay with me until the very end, because I'm going to give you a 24-hour challenge that requires zero math, but will change how you see every price tag forever. Let's start with the first part of our map, the analog connection. Imagine 2 people. Person A buys groceries using a credit card. Person B buys the same groceries using physical cash they count out by hand. Neuroscience tells us that person B actually feels a microdose of physical pain when handing over that cash. The insula, a part of the brain associated with pain and disgust, lights up. But person A? When they swipe a card, the brain feels nothing. It's numb. This is why Kakeibo, which literally translates to household financial ledger, demands that you use a pen and paper. The founder of Kakeibo, Hani Motoko, Japan's first female journalist, realized in 1904 that you cannot master money if you are disconnected from it. When you physically write down coffee $5, your brain's reticular activating system, RAS, engages. You are forcing your brain to acknowledge the transaction. You are turning mindless consumption into mindful decision-making. That split second of writing is where the magic happens. But wait a minute. This is where 90% of people fail with budgeting. Most of us think that to save money, we must suffer. We think we have to cut out everything we love. No lattes, no Netflix, no fun. We think the goal is to live like a monk. That is completely wrong. The secret of Kakeibo isn't restriction, it's intention. If you restrict yourself too much, you will suffer from what psychologists call the binge-purge cycle. You save for 3 weeks, feel miserable, and then blow $500 on a weekend just to feel alive again. Kakeibo solves this by actually forcing you to spend money on things you love, but in a very specific way. Let me show you how to reverse the script. Now that we know the trap, let's fill in the second part of our map, the 4 buckets. You don't need Excel. You just need to draw 4 boxes in your notebook. Box 1, survival, needs. Rent, food, transport, medicine. The boring stuff you need to stay alive. Box 2, optional, wants. This is the danger zone. Takeout, new clothes, gadgets. This is where your money leaks. Box 3, culture. This is the genius of the Japanese system. This box is for books, museums, movies, education. The Japanese philosophy believes that if you don't feed your soul, you will try to fill that void with material junk. Spending here is encouraged, not punished. Box 4, the extra, unexpected. Car repairs, sudden gifts. Here is the 3-step routine. Start of the month, write down your income and subtract your fixed costs. Box 1. The promise. Write down in big, bold letters how much you want to save this month. The daily log. Every evening, spend 3 minutes writing your expenses into these 4 boxes. And apply the 7-day rule, a modern Kakeibo adaptation. If you see something you want in box 2, optional, you must write it down on a wish list and wait 7 days. If you still want it after 7 days, you can buy it. Spoiler alert, 80% of the time, you won't want it anymore.
We are almost at the end, but listen carefully, because this is the most dangerous part of the map. If you ignore everything I've said, you face a hidden enemy that is eating your future alive. It's called lifestyle creep. As you get older and earn more money, your brain will trick you into thinking you deserve more expensive things, a better car, a bigger house, premium subscriptions. Without the discipline of Kakeibo, more money will not make you rich. It will just make you a high-income poor person. You will run faster just to stay in the same place. 5 years from now, you will look back and wonder where millions of dollars went. Don't let that happen. The solution isn't in the bank, it's in the notebook.
So this is your blueprint for the Kakeibo method. A way to save 35% not by suffering, but by waking up. But as we always say on this channel, information without execution is just an illusion. Here is your 24-hour challenge. I want you to close this video, find a physical notebook, any old notebook, and a pen. For the next 24 hours, do not swipe your card or click Buy without writing the item and the price in that notebook first. Before the transaction, write it down. Just that split-second pause will prove to you how many unnecessary things you almost bought. If you are ready to stop bleeding money and start building wealth, type "I accept the challenge" in the comments below. Master your mind, master your money. I'll see you at the top.